guys, today I'm doing a review of these mild Italian sausages, but these are antibiotic free and no nitrates. Yeah, it's pretty neat. So, and they're on sale. That's, as you can see there. But take a look at the ingredients: pork, water, sea salt, dried vinegar, and canola, hog, and then natural hog casing. Pretty much that's it. So you don't see any nitrates, you don't see anything like that. So I'm gonna cook them up and I'll do a quick taste test for you. Stay tuned. So the sausage all done. Let's do a quick taste test. So I ate it there. It's actually pretty good. Really juicy, as you can see. It's full of juice. Definitely check it out, guys. It's actually leaner than I thought it would be. So yeah. If you have any questions, comments, it's got nice spices. I actually cooked in the Instant Pot this time. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos, guys, and we're gonna subscribe to the channel.